Did your child suffer a brain injury during the birthing process and now you have questions? How could this have happened? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this really important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about fetal distress and how, if a baby is in distress and an emergency C-section is not done in time, how the child can suffer an injury to their brain. See, when a mother goes in to have a delivery or to deliver their child, what the doctors do is they use this machine called a fetal heart monitor. And what the fetal heart monitor does is it helps the medical professionals, the doctors and the nurses, it allows them to see how well the baby is tolerating a vaginal delivery. And if the baby is in distress, then doctors have to act appropriately to help the baby out. Because if the doctors don't act appropriately, or let's say, for example, the child needs an emergency C-section needs to be done and the doctors do not do it, then that can cause an injury to the child's brain. Normally, when we see a child that's in distress, what that is showing is that there could be an issue with oxygen getting to the baby. And if you have a lack of oxygen getting to the child, then we're opening the door for some serious medical complications. Another thing that can also sometimes tip parents off or a mother off as to whether there's going to be some issues during a vaginal delivery is if the mother's water break, and we're looking at meconium. Meconium is stool, it's the baby stool, and sometimes that can be evidence that the child may not be doing well. And if there is the presence of heavy meconium when the mother's water breaks, then again, doctors have to really be on the lookout to make sure that the child is tolerating the vaginal delivery well. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because more than likely, if you're watching this video today, your child has suffered an injury, a brain injury. Your child may have been diagnosed recently with cerebral palsy, or you may be noticing that your child is not meeting certain neonatal milestones, and now you're wondering, is there anything that you can do? Or you may be saying to yourself, you know what, it is time for me to speak with an attorney. This is what I invite you to do if all of this is going on in your mind, and that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.